I used to think creating a YouTube channel was really complicated, and it's really easy to get intimidated by looking at the equipment and stuff that the professional YouTubers do. But I've been doing this for the past couple months, and I've realized how simple it is. And here's just a quick look, so in case you're thinking about starting your own, you don't have to overthink it. So this is my channel. I use Chrome as a browser. To record my videos, I actually use QuickTime, and they have this option called New Movie Recording, and you're just able to record everything that you want on the screen itself. For editing, I use iMovie. It gives me everything that I need, well, most of the things that I need. And because I have a specific idea in my head when it comes to subtitles, I use an app called Veed.io because their subtitling is far better than YouTube itself. It's that simple. So what's stopping you?